Are you looking for the best GoPro for kids? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best action camera on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. GoPro Hero 9 Black. The Hero 9 from GoPro is the most advanced GoPro ever. Start recording video or capturing time-lapse photos with simple voice commands like GoPro Shoot Burst. Capture your kids' life's best moments in stunning videos, shoot bursts, and more with the GoPro Hero Session Bundle with head strap plus chesty mount and car suction cup mounts. Cherish the moments you don't want to miss with your kid in super smooth, stabilized video even when your hands can't keep up. The ultra-compact and wearable GoPro Hero is ready for action anywhere and is equipped with a best-in-class waterproof design. The camera comes complete with an included head strap mount, chest harness mount, and car suction cup mounts for you to adjust your camera angles however you like. Capture the sights and sounds of your favorite kid activities in high quality with the GoPro Hero. At number 2. GoPro Hero 8 Black. GoPro Hero 8 Black is the most powerful GoPro ever, thanks to its 4K 60 and 1080p 240 video, 960 frames per second super slow MO, 12MP photos up to 30 frames per second. Its simple one-button control allows you to capture professional quality footage automatically. And with a 2x more powerful processor, you can expect image quality and performance that has never been seen before in a GoPro. Hypersmooth stabilization allows your camera to deliver gimbal-like smoothness and incredible precision even while capturing super immersive wide-angle shots. It will give you the steadiest GoPro footage of your kid ever. The Hero captures stunningly smooth video and features built-in waterproofing up to 33-foot (ft) without housing so your kid can soak in your adventures nice and easily. All you need to do is press record, capture life as it happens, and then relive those precious moments with your family and friends later on. This GoPro is the perfect tool for every teenage adventure from snorkeling to bike riding, surfing to skiing, snowboarding to skateboarding. You'll get it all on your GoPro with an ultra-compact design that's lighter than a baseball cap. It also features built-in waterproofing up to 33-foot (ft) without housing. At number 3. DJI Osmo Action. The new Osmo Action from DJI is the ideal action camera for capturing your kids' adventures. From the moment you pick it up, you'll feel how easy it is to capture every moment with just one touch of a button. With dual screens, the camera brings everything into view and makes it easy to frame shots without having to look away from what you're shooting. Thanks to its vivid front screen and crystal clear, hyper-responsive display on the back, the Osmo Action lets you capture sharp, striking footage in any setting, day or night. It is waterproof up to 30 feet without a case so that your kid can record smooth videos underwater. Osmo Action has built-in electronic image stabilization (EIS) that ensures your footage stays steady and sharp even when the action gets wild and unpredictable. A super large aperture lens gives you bright 1080p HD video at 60 frames per second and a 240 frames per second slow-motion video. And the best thing about this camera is that it comes with DJI GO, which gives you instant access to maps of your surroundings so you can plan every adventure shoot. The Osmo Action also features an array of intelligent shooting modes. This includes hyperlapse for silky smooth time-lapse videos without having to manually move the camera and motion lapse that shoots a frame every 2 seconds while you're on the move. Enjoy 1080p 60 frames per second footage in crisp, vivid colors, thanks to an HDR image processor. It comes with built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi for remote control of camera settings via DJI Go app or DJI Assistant. At number 4. AKASO Brave 7 LE. AKASO Brave 7 is a 4K action camera with a 2-inch touchscreen, 170 degrees wide-angle lens, and waterproof up to 131 feet. Your kid can dive into water without worrying about damaging your action camera when using the included waterproof housing. The dual color screen's design makes it easy to change framing and monitoring views between back and front. Hyper-quality recording of 4K 30 frames per second video and 20MP photos in single-shot mode with EIS 2.0 stabilization will give you a great experience shooting videos or taking pictures during your outdoor activities like surfing, skiing, climbing, or biking. AKASO Brave also supports live video remote control through Wi-Fi with your smartphone, both iOS and Android. The camera is compatible with GoPro mounts, which makes it easy to attach AKASO Brave to any accessory for getting an even better shot. You can use that feature if you already have some accessories you usually use with your GoPro camera. The camera is equipped with a built-in 2000 mAh rechargeable battery, capturing up to 100 minutes of video or taking about 5,000 photos on one charge. Still, if it's not enough for your kids' needs, AKASO has included 2 extra batteries, 3000 mAh, in the package. This is a great action camera for your kid that can record stunning videos and take high-quality photos with ease, while its price makes it accessible to many people. At number 5. Dragon Touch 4K Action Camera. Dragon Touch 4K Action Camera is a professional action camera with a Wi-Fi function. It supports 4K/30 fps, also you'll get 2.7K/30 fps, and not to forget the 1080p/60 fps video and 16MP photo resolution. Talk about some killer specs. There is a zoom range from 1.0x to 4.0x, and the remote control can be used for shooting or taking photos remotely up to 10 meters away, 33 feet. The camera screen displays what you are recording in real time and serves as a viewfinder when looking at your shot while filming or taking photos. You can use the camera in either photo or video mode. A waterproof housing case is included, so you can shoot underwater up to 30 meters deep. There is no need for a separate case to take your camera with you on all of your adventures anymore. It has an adjustable LCD screen to rotate it in any direction and view the display while shooting hands-free. The battery life is up to 90 minutes on a single charge, but replacement batteries are for sale if needed. This action camera is a fantastic choice for kids, but its high-quality design and affordable price make it a great option even if you don't have any children. This action camera is tiny and lightweight, making it easy to travel with when going on a trip or driving a car. It's perfect for recording things too difficult to film/photograph by hand, like animals or sporting events. At number 6. Ourlife Kids Waterproof Camera. This waterproof camera is the best choice for your kids as it can shoot 1080p HD and 2K photos. It is also a good toy for them to play in swimming, skiing, hiking, bicycling, and skateboarding. With this waterproof camera, they can take pictures of themselves or their friends while jumping into the water without worrying about getting the device wet. The anti-fall design will ensure that there is no worry about dropping it from high places. It's waterproof up to 100 feet deep. A unique soft plastic material makes it safe and non-toxic. The camera is effortless to install and remove. It even comes with a clip and lanyard for attaching to backpacks, belts, or trees. The battery lasts about 100 minutes when fully charged. But it depends on how much you use it. The battery will be charged in less than 90 minutes. You can also use it as a security monitor for your home or office. Thanks to the 1080p HD and 2K resolution, 1.77-inch IPS screen, 7G high-strength glass lens, USB cable, and mounting clip. What's more, you will get an 8GB micro SD card with this kid's waterproof camera kit. The toddler camera provides 7 colorful filter effects, 6 funny picture frames, and a time-lapse photo function. Now let the fun begin. At number 7. AKASO X7000. The AKASO EK7000 4K Ultra HD action camera is a professional sports camera. It can record 30 fps 2.7K Ultra HD video and 16MP photos at up to 30 frames per second for you to capture every special moment of your kid's life as they grow up. Also, it features an HDMI port that allows you to connect it with a TV or monitor easily. It's an action camera that has a compact design and is easy to carry on the go. You can enjoy your incredible photo journey anytime, anywhere, without any worry. The built-in Wi-Fi allows you to control the camera easily with your phone. Since the camera is fully compatible with all GoPro mounts, it can be mounted on helmets, bicycles, motorcycles, and more for extreme sports or outdoor activities. The waterproof housing case enables the camcorder to go as deep as 30 meters underwater without any damage. There is a large capacity battery that can record up to 90 minutes of video on one charge. So you do not need to worry about the power supply when out for an extended period. The built-in G sensor allows you to capture every moment, even if your hand or other objects shake. This action camera is a good choice for you to record every single movement of your kid. You can have an exciting journey and capture all the beautiful moments with friends or family.